Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on press-on nails from Oomynails and a little tutorial. And if you're interested in seeing how easy it is to put these nails on, then keep on watching. Before I start, just a little disclaimer that these were sent to me in PR from Oomynails, and I was able to pick out 5 sets from their extensive selection, which I will show you in a bit. They have so much to choose from, and you can check out their website after this video. And I will also leave a link in the description box below for you. These nails are super affordable and super easy to apply, and they cost around $10 US for each set. I picked 3 sets of pink nails because they are the colors that I would wear the most. And this one, I actually meant to pick a purple set, but I think they were sold out, so they sent me this design instead. I also think that they accidentally sent me these 2 sets of pink nails, so I'll be giving one set away along with other makeup goodies, which I will later post on my Instagram page. If you want to enter the giveaway, it is super easy and free. All you have to do is like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. So this is the set that I will be giving away, and I will also show you how easy it is to apply these nails on, and you can apply it to any different kinds of designs of nails that you've picked. When you pull everything out, there should be 2 sheets of double-sided tape or adhesive, and this should help stick the fake nail to your real nail. There are press-on nails out there that uses actual glue, but for me, I prefer these stickers because they are super easy to put on and easy to take off, and they also don't damage your natural nail. The thing I like about these tape is that they won't damage your fake nails, and you can keep reusing these nails over and over again. And I find that using glue to apply these on not only damages your fake nails, but also your real nail, and these will end up being a one-time use only. I know that they do sell the double-sided tape separately, and it would be something that I would purchase if these press-on nails end up becoming a thing for me. Inside each of the nail set comes with additional item, and it is neatly packaged in a clear plastic envelope that contains a mini nail filer, a wooden stick, and I believe it is called a cuticle pusher, and an alcohol pad. Each nail set comes with 24 nails, and 8 of them are displayed right here, and the rest are at the bottom. This is what one of the nails look like, and on the back you can see that they are numbered, and I believe that these are the sizes of the nail. I like to completely line the nails first from small to large so that it is easier for me to match it up with my real nails. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that each of the fake nails fit completely over top of your real nail. Then you would use the cuticle pusher to push your cuticle up so that they are not in the way. This step could actually take a while depending on how much cuticle you have. It may take you longer or it may take you shorter. After all that is done, you want to wash your hand just so that there's no residue of sweat and oil. Then we will take the nail filer and file the surface of the nail just a little bit. This is so that the nail is not too smooth and the adhesive can stick on better. I find that if you do this, the adhesive will last longer and so will your nails. I actually don't do this all the time because I only like wearing press-on nails when I go out, and I really don't need it to last long as I don't like having long nails while I'm at home. So after creating more of a rough surface, we are going to take this alcohol wipe that comes with it and wipe off any excess oil or dirt. Once that's done, you take the double-sided tape and make sure the sizes are matched to your nail. If one of it is too big, you can make a note of that one and cut off the side so that it fits to your nail. It is better for the stickers to be smaller than your nails rather than bigger so that you don't see the stickies when you put on the fake nails. You would have to remove this top plastic for your first set of nails. You can see that there is a little non-sticky tab which makes it easy to apply. You apply the sticky part to your nail first and then press down on it to make sure that it really sticks well to your nail. Then remove the non-sticky tab. I like to add the sticky tabs to my nail all at the same time and then apply the nails on after, but you can do one nail at a time if you're more comfortable. After I have the double-sided stickers on my nails, I'm going to remove the non-sticky tab and apply the nail on top and press down on it for a few seconds to make sure that it really sticks to my nail. Then do this for the rest of the nail, repeat on the other side, and we are done. I picked this set because I really like the pastel pink that is fading into white towards the end. For me, this set would be my typical everyday nail as it is not too flashy and attention grabbing. The pink nail set that I just showed you in the tutorial actually lasted me for more than 4 days. I took a shower with it on and I also went to sleep with it on. I'm sure it would last longer if I left it alone, but I wanted to switch to a different design, so I removed it and put these on. I would talk a little bit about this set and the other two set I have. This was also another one I picked because I love pink and I really like the design of this one. As you can see that there is a bit of a mix of French nail and some waves that looks like cloud. This is totally my style. For the third set that I selected is a clear pastel pink with a bit of rhinestones. If I knew about pressed nails sooner, I would probably wear this for my wedding as it is very, very pretty. If you don't like the diamonds, keep in mind that each set have 24 nails, so you can even swap out the diamonds and wear all pink nails. The last set I received is a set that I didn't pick. I believe this one was sent to me because the other one I selected was all sold out. I haven't gotten used to wearing different color nails, but it actually doesn't look too bad. With the 24 nails you have in this set, you could probably select an all red or an all beige color nail set if you are uncomfortable with mixing color like me. Also, another disclaimer that I'm not a nail technician or a nail expert, nor I have a background in nail, so if I could do this, then you can too. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these nails and which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this review, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!